The human heart is one of the most remarkable and essential organs in the body. It is a muscular, hollow organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the circulatory system, ensuring that oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and other vital substances reach every cell. At the same time, it helps remove waste products, such as carbon dioxide. Without the continuous and efficient functioning of the heart, life cannot be sustained. Location and size. The heart is located in the thoracic cavity, between the lungs, slightly tilted toward the left side of the chest. It sits behind the sternum, breastbone, and above the diaphragm. Although often symbolized as large, the actual heart is roughly the size of a clenched fist and weighs about 250 to 350 grams in adults. Structure of the heart. The heart is divided into 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. These chambers are separated by walls called septa, which prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Right side, deoxygenated blood. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body through the superior and inferior vena cava. This blood flows into the right ventricle, which pumps it to the lungs via the pulmonary artery for oxygenation. Left side, oxygenated blood. The left atrium receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs through the pulmonary veins. This blood then moves into the left ventricle, the strongest chamber, which pumps it to the entire body via the aorta. Working mechanism of the heart. The heart functions as a double pump. 1. Pulmonary circulation. Blood flows from the heart to the lungs and back. Right atrium to right ventricle, to lungs to left atrium. 2. Systemic circulation. Blood flows from the heart to the rest of the body. Left atrium to left ventricle, to body to right atrium. This continuous cycle ensures that oxygen is delivered and carbon dioxide is removed efficiently. Heart valves. The heart contains 4 important valves that ensure one-way blood flow. Tricuspid valve, between right atrium and right ventricle. Pulmonary valve, between right ventricle and pulmonary artery. Mitral valve, between left atrium and left ventricle. Aortic valve, between left ventricle and aorta. These valves open and close with each heartbeat, producing the familiar lub-dub sound. Electrical system of the heart. The heart beats due to an internal electrical system. SA node, sinoatrial node, known as the natural pacemaker, initiates the heartbeat. AV node, atrioventricular node, relays the signal. Bundle of His and Purkinje fibers spread the impulse through the ventricles. This electrical activity ensures coordinated contractions of the heart muscles. Blood flow through the heart, step by step. Deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium. It moves into the right ventricle. It is pumped to the lungs via the pulmonary artery for oxygenation. Oxygenated blood returns to the left atrium. It flows into the left ventricle. It is pumped to the body through the aorta. Layers of the heart wall. The heart wall consists of 3 layers: epicardium, outer layer; myocardium, middle muscular layer, responsible for contraction; and endocardium, inner lining. The myocardium is the thickest layer, especially in the left ventricle. Functions of the heart. The heart performs several vital functions: pumps oxygenated blood to tissues, removes carbon dioxide and waste, maintains blood pressure, delivers hormones and nutrients, supports immune system function, Heart rate and cardiac output. Normal heart rate 60 to 100 beats per minute. Cardiac output, amount of blood pumped per minute. Average 5 liters per minute. During exercise, cardiac output can increase significantly to meet the body's demands. Common heart diseases. Coronary artery disease, narrowing of arteries due to plaque buildup. Heart attack, myocardial infarction, occurs when blood flow to part of the heart is blocked. Arrhythmia, irregular heartbeat. Heart failure, the heart cannot pump blood effectively. How to keep your heart healthy. Eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, avoid smoking, manage stress, maintain healthy weight, get regular checkups.